How can Diego and Jada make their towers have the same number of cubes? Grace. Actually, I'm sorry. You answered last time. We're going to call someone else, but I appreciate you still know the answer. Mason.
You can add more to Jada's.
I can add more to Jada's. So how many more would I have to add to Jada's?
5.
I'd have to add 5 more. Okay, if I add 5 more, will they be equal?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's see. Are they equal?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. So you can add. So you can go. What number did Jada start with?
3.
3. How many did we add?
5.
5 equals
8.
8. So that was one of our equations because we wanted to match Diego's. And how many does he have? 8. So 3. We started with 3. We needed to count up to get 8. What else could I have done? What else could you do to make these two towers match? So we could have added. What else? I'm looking for people who have done the problem. Okay, well, what else could I have done?
You could put 3 opposite this one.
Does that work?
Yeah.
No. So the only thing I could have done was added more because it was not an even number to make them the same. Okay, ready?
I think you could take away 5.
You could have just. Whoa, that was a good one too. Watch. Mason says, what if you just took away 5? You could have just said, okay, well, we'll have Diego start with 8. How much did we subtract? 5. To equal what? 3.
I can write it back.
Okay. So, those are a couple problems I could have gone with that one. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off, hands off. Hands off. Okay. Stop. How can Diego and Jada make their towers have the same number of cubes? Look at the problem, and I want you to try 2 different ways to have them match. Have them make their cubes match.
How much does Diego have? 3. Okay.
What can we do to make these 2 even?
I will get 1.
Cora.
You could take 7 away and then
Okay, so you're saying we should take them away from Jada? So you take away 7 to make it match as 3? That's the number we need to make sure we find. We wanted to get to 3. What else can we do? What else could we do? Lily?
8 away and there's 3?
So it's not 8, it's 7, which is what we just said. What else?
I know one.
What else could we do? Rogelio. Ash.
If you would.
You're not on the same problem because you don't have the right number of cubes. You're right, but you don't have the right number of cubes. Okay, what else?
Am I supposed to use all of them?
You're supposed to use the right number that's on the board. Okay, Mason.
We could add both towers together.
We're not adding both towers together, we're making them two even tiles. What could we do to Diego's to make it match Jada's? Kevin.
And 7 more.
We could add 7 more, so 3 plus 7, which is what? 10. What are those two numbers? How are they connected? They are what? Friendly numbers. Very nice. Hands up. Okay, and turn and face me. Okay. So, we're going to now do some math problems with these. Hold on. So, I'm going to read a problem, and you're going to show me with your cubes how to answer it. Ready? It's not going to be the same as the other ones. These are going to be math problems that go with it. Ready? Lynn has only green cubes. How can Lynn make the towers have the same number of cubes? Show your thinking. So, I want you to listen. Did I tell you to touch your cubes yet? No. Mason? Mm-mm. So, I want you to, you'll get your, when I say to, you'll get your whiteboard marker eraser out so you can write an equation that goes with this. And you're going to use your cubes to help you out with this. Okay, so, you're going to get your whiteboard marker up.
And eraser.
Whiteboard marker eraser out. And you're going to write what?
Equation.
An equation. And then you're going to use your cubes to help solve it. Go ahead. Okay, so what are some ways that Lynn could make the two towers even? Grace.
6 minus 4 equals 2.
So taking her 6 away, minus 4 equals 2. So we could make those the two. We could take away from the red tower to match the green tower. What else could we have done? Caitlin.
We could have done 2 and added 6 would equal 8.
So we could have added. We could have added how many?
4, 6.
So what? We don't have 8 in the top tower. So how many would we need to add? Okay, let's look. So if they line up here, let's count the ones we need. 1, 2,
3,
3.
4.
So how many more do we need?
4.
4 to make it equal
5.
6. So these two problems they're part of a what?
Number family.
A number family or fact family. Very good. Does anyone else have any different ways? No, you don't have any different ways. You have the same thing that's up here.
I have.
I'm looking for different ways.
Yes, but look. Number 4 below 2.
Yes, and we already talked about that, which is right here. You're going to be listening. So I see a lot of people either added to it or subtracted from it. What about making them even using the cubes that we have? Grace did something similar in the beginning. She had said something about making them even by taking this 6 minus, what is it, Grace?
We can take away 2 of the 6.
2 of the 6 to equal what? 4. And then, where would you put those two? I'm gonna draw an arrow because then after that you start with the small green one, add the 2 that you took away from one tower to make it equal 4. Do they match? Do they match? Thumbs up if they match. Good. We're gonna do another one.
Mama, right now.